Welcome to the video on drawing your draft for the Snowperson project. So I got mine done here already. I have done mine in landscape orientation here. You can also do it in portrait orientation. Mine cut off a little bit of that. Just have to think about the arrangements. The important thing on either one, and I wish I would have checked the dimensions of the poster board I have at school before I came home, but check in on it and making sure, hey, does it fit? Draw. Does it fit this way? Okay, you know, is my page going to fit here? Is my other page going to fit here? How far is it going to go over this way? Just so you can plan on that and anticipate it a little bit here. I called mine Snow Blues, as in blues, the type of music. That's why I put a little guitar on there for my Snowperson. Also, why I have these little outline here, that's like a sheet of colored paper on the background, and then my paper that I have right here with the computations on it. I just like the way that look. I've seen it done on other people's. It frames it nicely. I can get multiple colors of paper to print up for you for your computations page if you'd like. Just ask me to show you what I have. Now the shapes end up taking more time than people, or take up more space than people anticipate all the time. You got to draw, you're basically drawing one for each one of these in here. And it takes up more space than you anticipate. That's why I got it in two spots, right here and right there. I split it up, and then I got my dimensions page right there. Over here I got my Snowperson, got the little parts on it. I got my arms, my fingers on there. I got my mouthpieces, I got my nose, got the hat, all those things. Ooh, I forgot to put a scarf on this sucker. Let's put a scarf on him. We'll try that for a color. So there's his scarf. Some little fringes on the end. He looks happier now that he has that. I'm sure I'm forgetting something on there, but this is just the little layout that I chose. Now, you can do it differently. You can do it however you choose. So, I need a second page here. Now, I've been trying to mess around with this, but I can't really do it. I didn't set this up really well to adjust it. But there are different ideas. I was going to try to show you some different arrangements of this. I was going to bring this part down, put this up here a little higher, not to cover the guitar. I was going to move, you know, center this a little differently, maybe the size. This up on the top. Oops, I don't know what I'm doing. This up over here. These down lower where the body's a little wider and needs more room. And put the Snowperson more in the center. But there's lots of different ways to do it. Have some fun with it. Take your best shot. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because it's always better than you think. Hope this helps a little bit. We'll see you in class.